discussed about the even odd property. This is the property number 8 or 9. Here I don't know, I did not mention the numbers. So integration 0 minus a to a, whenever you appear minus a to a, that is even odd property. Integration minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0 if it is an odd function, and 2 times 0 to a f of x dx it is an even function. Yesterday I given the proof of this. So we start solving the questions on this. After this, there is only two parts are left. One is periodic function. Okay, periodic function, properties of periodic function, and then is Leibniz rule. Then our complete definite integration will finish. After that, we will solve many problems. Then we are going to end up this by next week. Let's say your integration minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 in the root of 1 minus cos 2 dx is how much? Whenever you have minus 2 plus, then you think that is an even odd property. So let us see here, cos is an even function or odd function, let me know. What is the cos is an even function or odd function? Cos is an even function. So no need to go for 0, this will not be 0. You want to check, you can check it. F of x is what? What is f of x? F of x is under root of 1 minus cos 2x. And what is f of minus x? That is under root of 1 minus cos 2 of minus x. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. So under root of 1 minus cos 2x. That is I got f of x again. F of minus x equal to f of x, it is an even function. So even function I have to apply this rule. So I can write as integration 0 to pi by 2. Integration 0 to pi by 2 2 times under root of 1 minus cos 2x dx I will get. Okay, I got this one right. Now what I have to do here, under root of now 0 to pi by 2 I got. Now I can write as 2 under 0 to pi by 2 under root of 1 minus cos 2x can be written as 2 sine square x, correct? 2 sine square x, right? That is I can write as 2 sine square x dx. 2 sine square x dx. So that I get this value will I get as integration 2 to integration 0 to pi by 2. Root 2 will come out, root 2 will come out, and under root of sine square x dx I get. That is I get as 2 root 2 integration 0 to pi by 2. Already you know 0 to pi by 2 is in the first quadrant. So I know this under root of this will be mod sine x dx. Okay, already 2 into root 2, 0 to pi by 2, and mod. See here, 0 in mod, whenever root is there, you have to write mod. And 0 to pi by 2 first quadrant, it is a positive sine x dx. So mod will open with positive sign. And 0 to pi by 2 already explained. Remember this one. Don't solve this one. Answer is how much? This value answer is how much? 1. So 2 root 2 into 1. That is the answer is 2 root 2. The answer for this one is 2 root 2 is the answer. Hope you understand. So this is the question asked in JEE 2008 based on even odd function. Today I will explain even odd property. The whole thing will be even odd property. And then after that Leibniz rule, and then we will be having periodic function. This is the end of the topics. So we just do here integration minus pi 3 pi by 2 to pi by 2 to have this one. What is the answer of this is asked. So again this is the question of JEE 2008. 8 is the question, this one. So how to solve this question? See, simple thing. So you have this question again with minus 2 plus. Minus 2 plus is there means even odd property. That's it. So here minus 2 plus is even, but here not the same interval. This is pi by 2. This is minus 3 pi by 2. So something is missing. So what we do here? We take the substitution method help. This is extra I find. So let us take x plus pi is equal to t. Let's consider to make this interval same. So x plus pi is equal to t. If I take x is equal to minus 3 pi by 2 in this, I get what here? Minus 3 pi by 2 plus pi is equal to t. What I am going to get here? Minus pi by 2. I will get this value is minus pi by 2. Finally, I am getting t is equal to minus pi by 2. Okay, let us go for next here. X is equal to, if I take pi by 2 substitution, what I get here? Pi by 2 plus Correct? Pi by 2 plus pi. Okay, pi by 2 plus pi. So what I am going to get 3 pi by 2. Let me check the question once. Let me check the question. I think I wrote something wrong. Okay, this is minus pi by 2. So minus to minus you have. Okay, this is minus pi by 2 is equal to t. This is implies I can write t is equal to pi minus pi by 2 is plus pi by 2. So that now it is changes. Now what do you can write integration? Integration. I can write this one is